we're gonna move to a different factor called vector triple product. A vector and triple product. And what are we going to see the triple product means? So there should be a combination of a dot and cross. You understand me? In this triple product, there should be a dot and cross, and you can have a direction, and you can have a magnitude. Magnitude means what? The answer 2 into 3 equals 6. And suppose if the direction there comes means you can have -6 or +6. That's the one difference, okay? Now we're gonna go for elimination of everything from this board, from this whiteboard. I don't want to talk much more, okay? Now listen to me very carefully. So what I can have the A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C. And that's equal to over here. I can have the cycle. And that cycle, if the cycle is right, means that is everything's plus. If the cycle is changing, means that's called minus. A after B, B after C, C after A. This is the cycle. And then A after B, B after C, C after A. If there comes a small change the cycle's order, there will be a minus. Oh, you got me right. That's right. I can write here B dot, then B after C, right? C cross A. That's will be equal to C dot, because B after C, right? C dot, C after A. Is it right? I cross B. Here I don't have any minus. I don't have any minus because everything goes in order. But the same case, if I go in some other way, if I write A dot B cross C, which is equal to, if I write A dot C cross B means, look at over here, A after C. Is it A after C? No, A after B, right? So it's minus. If I just write the form of B dot A cross C, look at over here, if it is A after B, after the B can have a C, right? But it's coming as A. That's the minus. It's equal to C dot B cross A. Is it C after B? No. C after A. That's right. So I've gone for the minus. I'll show us about this vector triple product. But in some other case, I can have some more relation. If you just write, please write. If you have any comments, you can comment in the video section. I can just clear your every other doubts. Students, listen to me carefully. If you got any doubts in the YouTube, and my channel, you can have just to write the comments so that I will immediately respond to your actions, and then immediately I will clear the doubts and clarify everything completely and give the solution also. So anytime if you have any doubts or any such clarifications, any such comments from me, you can type the comments in the comment section of where I post this video, okay? So now I just do wrap off this triple product. Now it is just wrap off everything, it's a triple product. At the same time, if you are not understanding me, if I don't understand my language, if you don't understand my asset also, you just give a comments, okay? Now I gotta go for A cross B cross C. That will be written as, it's just a small rule, okay? Please have the rule, okay? I can have B A cross C, B into A cross C, okay? And then afterwards, minus C into A dot B. Why I don't have plus, I don't have minus, why I have minus here means, please look it out here. A, B, C. Is it right? But here, A, B, C. Is it right? But look at over here. I have the cross here, but I have the dot here. Is it right? But anyway, if I have the dot here also, but I'm not looking the order. So if I use the order one more time, I have to use the minus. Please understand very clearly. First time if I don't use the minus means for any wrong order. Next time if I do the right order, I have to use the minus. And that's a bigger rule. That's a small rule about this one, okay? And that's very important, please. And that rule is called what? Back, B-A-C-K, back cab rule. Back cab rule. I hope you got my point. Is it right? So look at over here. For these expressions, there are more problems are available. The problems we have to we can't means cannot. We cannot right now can solve it. Once after completion of the theoreticals, we may go for all the problems. Intermediate, you can ask me for this section. The relevant problems could be solved right now because I know that when we can solve the problem, the time if the problem should come, and at that time, if you do solve the problem means you could be clarified. Suppose if I could write the problem would be of some application, and that application cannot be overwhelmed. That means like understandable with this formula because they will apply this formula, but they may go for some of the. So suppose if I just explain you about these technologies and methodologies, and then if I go to the problem of this section, you may understand very clearly. So up to that, please hold on and please just do start learn about these things. That's very, very important for you. Okay. And now apart from this, I don't have any such rule for you to get explained. So what we do, we may go for this next one. Next topic is about orthogonal coordinate system. We may see in the next class. Thank you.